Welcome. In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. To do that, you simply have to hold your home button and back button at the same time, and this will take a screenshot on your watch. You can access all the screenshots within the gallery application, for example on your smartphone. And as you can see here, we have the screenshot that we just took. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. And of course, we can do it on any page of our watch. And the screenshot will immediately get uploaded to your smartphone. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.